everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a super effective DIY onion oil at home. Something that's really helpful for hair growth, reducing hair fall, and keeping your hair long, strong, and healthy. So let's get into it. Onion oil is something I absolutely love because it helps in optimizing the hair growth cycle. What that means is, it not only promotes new hair to grow, but it also keeps your existing hair healthier and in a better growing phase for longer. This makes a huge difference over time if you're consistent with it. It's packed with antioxidants, and these are great for your hair because they protect your scalp and hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. And we all know, the healthier your scalp, the better your hair will grow. Over time, it actually helps make your hair long, shiny, and just overall more vibrant. You'll notice less breakage, less thinning, and more volume. Now, one of the biggest benefits, it really helps stop hair fall. That's probably the #1 reason most people turn to onion oil in the first place. And guess what? It also helps prevent those early gray hairs from popping up. So if that's something you're dealing with, this could really help you out. Alright, so let's talk about how to make this magical oil. The main ingredient is obviously onions. You'll need 2 medium-sized onions. Just make sure they're fresh. And red onions are ideal because they have more sulfur. First, peel both onions. And remember, onions are rich in sulfur, which is one of the main components of keratin. Keratin being the protein your hair is made of. Extra sulfur supports strong, thick hair, and it really helps prevent hair loss. It actually stimulates your scalp and promotes healthy new hair to grow in. Another thing a lot of people don't realize is that onions can help with collagen production. And collagen is important not just for your skin, but also for the scalp. It helps build strong skin cells, which in turn creates a better environment for your hair to grow. Now, once you've peeled the onions, make sure to pat them dry. You don't want them to be watery when you grind them up. Once they're dry, go ahead and chop them into small pieces. Chopping them helps release all the juice and nutrients. Onions also help with reducing breakage and thinning, so they're really doing double duty here. Next up, we're gonna add garlic. Garlic is another fantastic ingredient for hair. Go ahead and peel a few cloves. 3 to 4 should be good. Garlic has strong antimicrobial properties. It helps clean the scalp by killing bacteria and germs, which is especially helpful if you deal with dandruff or scalp infections. Garlic is also rich in vitamin C, which again helps promote hair health and stimulates collagen production. The more collagen your body produces, the better your hair will grow. Garlic also strengthens your hair follicles and helps keep them unclogged. A clogged follicle can stop hair from growing properly, so this helps with that. And it even calms scalp irritation and treats dandruff. Now the third ingredient we're adding is curry leaves. These are amazing for stopping gray hairs naturally. If you use them consistently, they help darken the hair and delay premature graying. Curry leaves are full of antioxidants, and that helps maintain overall scalp and hair health. They fight hair loss and actually make your roots stronger. Before we use them, just make sure to dry them, either in the sun or air dried. You don't want any moisture in them. Curry leaves are also antibacterial, so they work to keep your scalp healthy and clean. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, chopped onions, peeled garlic, and dried curry leaves, we're going to start blending. Put the chopped onions into a grinder. Add the garlic, and then the curry leaves. To this, we'll add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil acts as a carrier oil, and it also deeply nourishes the hair on its own. Now go ahead and grind everything together until you get a nice smooth paste. It should look thick, but not too chunky. Next, we'll cook this mixture to turn it into our final onion oil. Take a clean pan and pour the paste into it. Now to this pan, we're going to add 200 milliliters of coconut oil. You can use any oil you like, but coconut works really well for most hair types. Then we'll add 50 milliliters of castor oil. Castor oil is thick and amazing for boosting hair growth. It also helps prevent split ends and strengthens the hair. Once both oils are in, mix everything well. We'll cook this on a low flame. It's important to keep the flame low and stir the mixture continuously so it doesn't burn. Let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll start noticing the oil changing color and a strong, rich aroma. After that, turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Once it's cool, use a clean cloth or fine strainer to filter the oil. You'll see a beautiful, slightly green color in the oil, thanks to the curry leaves. It's going to smell strong, but don't worry, that smell doesn't stay once you wash your hair. Now, store this oil in a clean jar or bottle. You can keep it in a cool, dry place, and it'll last you for a few weeks. Now let's talk about how to use it. Before you apply it, it's a good idea to warm it a little. Just place the jar in hot water for a few minutes. Don't microwave it. Warming it up helps the oil penetrate better into the scalp. Then take some oil in your palms and start applying it to your scalp. Make sure your entire scalp is covered. Once it's on, gently massage your scalp using your fingertips for about 5 to 10 minutes. This improves blood circulation and helps the oil get absorbed properly. Leave the oil on for at least 1 hour, but if you really want the best results, leave it overnight. Just cover your pillow with a towel to avoid stains. Then wash it out using a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. With regular use, you'll start to notice your hair becoming healthier, softer, and more moisturized. And within a few weeks, you should start seeing new hair growth as well. That's it for today's video. I hope you give this DIY onion oil a try. It's simple, affordable, and so powerful for your hair. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you next time.